Hey, what's up, y'all? Welcome to my channel. It's your girl Ayana here, coming to you guys with a tutorial today on this summer vibe look. So today I'm doing a look that is perfect for the summertime. Entering the summer, if you're chilling with bae or if you're going out with your friends on a summer night, just for a light, sexy, cute makeup look to wear and look great. So what I'm doing here right now is concealing those brows, making sure that they're nice and clean and they're on fleek. Now I'm going to go in with my e.l.f. Lock It In primer. This is great for oily skin. Kind of has like a lock it in finish. It adheres to any type of foundation you apply. Now I'm going in with my favorite Wet n Wild almond foundation in the color almond, and I love it. This is a perfect light makeup for your face if you have oily skin. The stick I highly recommend. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna blend in that foundation to have a nice smooth base. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just concealing those under eyes. We got to secure the bags. Now I'm going to take my beauty blender and blend out that concealer. Blend, blend, blend. So now what I'm doing here is taking my NYX Halo liquid highlighter and applying this all over to my cheeks and my nose and my brow bone. Now I'm just blending it in with my brush. And excuse the background for the ice cream truck. It's pretty loud. So now I'm just going to set my concealer and making sure it stays in place. The residue from the powder, it looks like it's snowing. But it's not. Of course, it's June. So now I'm going in with my favorite LA Girl color bronzer. And I'm applying that to my cheeks very lightly. I use this as a contour color and also just to give some extra color to my face for a nice glow. And here I was talking about how big my forehead is. My forehead is big, but I embrace it. Now, I love this new palette I just got. This is a steal. $5 from Five Below. And I'm going in with that gorgeous caramel color. So nice. After I applied my transition shade, I'm going in with that rose color, and I'm going to apply that right in the hollows of my outer eye and blending it forward to my inner eye. Here I'm swiping away all of the excess powder on my face, and I'm going back in with that rosy color to blend out and darken up my outer eye. Now I'm going in with this metallic rose color, and I'm applying that on my lid. After, I'm going to use another lighter color and applying that on the inner eye for a nice ombre smooth transition look. Now I'm probably gonna OD here with the highlighter because I really want my highlight to pop. And ladies, I think it's time that, we embrace the highlight and stop shying away from it. So I kind of went a little bit down on my cheeks to use it as like a blush a little bit. And for that extra summery look. Now I'm going in with my favorite mascara by L'Oreal and a white eyeliner on the lower lid just to make my eyes a little bit wider because I do have some small eyes, chinky eyes, and yeah, I am going to blend that out with some eyeshadow, the rose color, to make it a little bit more contrasting. I just applied some lip gloss and some lashes that are so bomb, and this is how it's coming out so far. I hope you guys like it. We call it ASMR, Family Fight Leadership. So, while I was recording here, there was some loud noises and funny movements in the background. That was unnecessary, but I excused them for the rudeness. But thank you for watching my video, and I hope you guys like it. Enjoy your summer, and stay tuned for more videos. Like, subscribe, and share. Stay lit and stay positive. Thank you for watching. Mwah.